Good morning, students. Today I will be demonstrating in front of you a small activity to show you how digestion takes place in a human body. So I have taken out some of the instruments you can see over here. Some of the things, some of the materials are here. This pav, this bread, I'm going to use as a food material, which we are going to digest today. Okay. Then we have some mashers, as our teeth grind the things properly. So for them, I'm using mashers here. I'm also using scissor because our teeth bite them, right? Or cut them. I have hydrochloric acid because this is vinegar actually, not hydrochloric acid, this is vinegar. Vinegar also contains acid, so it will work as acid. Water as a saliva, right? I have some juices which will work as a wild juice or a pancreatic juice to help to show you. Then I have this funnel kind of a thing. I have two funnels actually. This I have made for esophagus, right? As you know that esophagus help us to swallow the food. Okay. Then I have a stocking which will work as a small intestine, and some of the napkin which will work as a large intestine, and I'll show you how. So let me begin first. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, in this bowl, I'm going to cut the pieces of this bread. And this scissor is just working like an incisor. You know that incisor cut the food. So this scissor is exactly working like an incisor.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear.
No, ma'am, बिल्कुल clear आ रही है.
Just wait for a minute, please. Yes. So I have cut a few of the bread from the loaf. Okay. So you could see it has been cut now. There are the big pieces of. There are some of the big pieces of bread here. If you want, you can cut more. So I'm cutting more now, and I'll show you. Okay, so this scissor is actually working as an incisor here now. Okay, so here we have the big pieces of bread. Now you know that this big pieces, actually some of the saliva is also present in our mouth. So I will be putting not much water. I will just be putting few spoon of water, so that it works as a saliva for us, right? Now, you know that these are being grinded by the premolars first. So I'm just mashing it. This masher is working like a premolars for us now. Okay, so I just mashed it. So you can see when premolars grind it, they are not fully grinded, but they will become like this. Okay, after that, I will be using the another masher. Okay, this masher, so that it is being grinded properly. So I'm using this masher properly so that it is being grinded as the molars do. So I'm using a masher here. I hope you have understood the work of teeth now. Incisors and canines help us to cut and bite the food, whereas molars help us to grind and chew the food. Premolars also do the same, but they could not match it properly. Now you can see it has become into the semi-solid. Can you see here? It has become just like a semi-solid. It has been mashed properly. Right? The role of esophagus comes. I have also used, just wait for a minute. Yeah. So here we have a funnel which is working as an esophagus. So I will be putting the food in this and it will directly send it to the stomach. Okay, so how is it going to do? That I'm going to explain it to you now. Just wait for a minute. And you know the stomach is exactly a bag of polythene, right? Just wait. So this is my stomach, because in stomach it's just like a bag. So here I've taken a small bag. Okay, so I will be putting it here. So this is the role of a esophagus, just to transfer the food to the stomach. Okay. So slowly, food is being swallowed up, and through food pipe, through esophagus, it is going to the stomach, as you all can see. Okay. So it has already entered the stomach now, and now the portion will come. You know, in stomach, lot of acid works, right? Lot of acids are there. So the acids work on it and help to make it as a chime, right? Here we have studied about it. That in stomach, the acid, mucus, and some digestive juices work and help us. So I'm putting acid here. So I put some of the acid here, and now I'm just mashing it more properly.
real acid है क्या?
Darsh, it is a vinegar. Vinegar also contain acid. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I have put hydrochloric acid, and now you can see that it has become like a chime now, right? The more of a liquid and little bit of solid. Now through stomach, the food will enter where? The food will enter in the small intestine. So I have taken the stockings as a small intestine. So I'll just cut a little bit portion here of a bag just to show you. And the food will enter in the small intestine now. Now what will happen to the small intestine? Just wait. It has entered. Right. So through pipe, the stomachs are connected to the stockings. Through the small intestine. You all know that, right? So I have put it here now. Okay. Now the food has entered here in the small intestine. Now what will happen in the small intestine? When we will squeeze it, you will see that all the juices are being removed from it. That means the absorption part takes place here. I'm just showing it to you because it's a little messy. So you always need to put some of a plate or some of a newspaper. I have used plate here so that nothing get messy here. Okay. And kindly use more of a food particles. I've used the less here today. Now, you know that again in small intestine, bile juice and pancreatic juice starts working. So I'm putting here some juices, and now I will squeeze it. So once I will squeeze it, you can see lot of juices are being getting out. So these juices are being removed from it. Okay, now the food particles, which are the base for us now. Whatever juices we needed, it is already been absorbed by our body. Now, whatever the base is remaining, that will again go to the large intestine. So I have used this napkin or this towel, this paper towel, and I will be using this food again, and I will be sending it to the large intestine now. So it has been sent to the large intestine here. Okay. After that, I'll show you that whatever the food waste remaining. Now you also know that in large intestine we have two parts. That is colon and rectum, right? In colon, again, large intestine work on it, and whatever water and salts are remaining, that is being absorbed by the large intestine, and rest waste is being sent to the rectum. So here again, you can see little bit of juice is there. So that juice is being squeezed. And now the remaining portion which is coming out, that will be removed through anus. You can see this is the waste. This is how the waste is being removed from our body. Okay. So this is the whole digestive system. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you so very much.